Oh, it's 3 stops away.
Ooh, my package. Wow. These must definitely be the best.
Alright, we'll see. Careful. Why are the skateboards in the middle of the way? That's us. That's us right there. See? And that's arriving today. 4:15 to 7:15 p.m. Sometime between there. 3 stops away. Oh, it's closer. Oh, he might be outside.
No, there's speed cube for us.
He's coming.
It's so quick.
Let's see.
We just ordered it last night.
Almost. I see him. I see the truck. It's right there. On the other side of that building. Oh, here he comes.
So excited for
He's
my
so
Pyraminx
excited.
cube. So excited. For my cute little 3x3. 2x2 windmill.
Oh, here he comes. Hi.
Hi.
There he is. There's your prime.
We ordered Amazon.
Oh, here he comes. Okay. Okay.
I didn't know it would be there.
There you go. Calm. He's all excited.
Yay! Yay!
You're a funny guy.
Yay!
Knock knock.
Hi.
How's it going?
There's your speed cubes. Thank
There you
you.
go. Have a good day, guys.
You too.
Thanks.
Bye.
I'm gonna love to see my new
Yeah, I could have.
cute little 3x3 and 2x2 and Windmill Cube and all those puzzles, the Pyraminx. So much. This is hard to get.
Here, just tear it right here. It's a tear, open tear right here. There you go. Whoa.
So cool.
Wow, they all fit in that tiny little package? Uh-oh. That's scaring me.
Pyraminx, my first name. Square one. Square one. It's the magic cubes. Magic. Well, I guess this is a video
Okay, there you go.
opening my new cubes that now are gonna be my mains. Oh,
Oh, I see how
Pyraminx.
they. Oh, these are tiny.
Square one. Ooh, my cute little 3x3. Oh, it's so cute.
All right, let's see how fast you can go with the 3x3. Let me see, is that the same size? Seems smaller. I guess it's the same size. They just look smaller. It's just a little. No, about the same. Here's a 2x2.
Ooh.
Got some kind of weird one here.
Yeah, it's the Axis Cube and the 4x4.
Yeah, 4x4. All right, open up the 3x3. Let's see how fast it is, Mr. Speed Cube. So you're 1, 2, 3, 4. feel faster? I don't know.
Whoa!
Try a corner cut. Let's see the corner cut capability. A little bit. That's why Dad was trying to get you again. But you wanted the 8-pack, so that's what you get.
Ooh, this is nice. Let's see its corner
Let me
twisting.
try my try. One hand operation.
Let's see how this turns. Oh, not too bad.
See the corner cut capability here.
Yeah, let's see corner twisting. Not the
Other one.
Yeah, it's like I'm using this cube. And they're exactly the same size. Let's open my square one. I've been waiting for a square one. Oh, nice.
I'll never on this unscramble that.
Ooh, the square one. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Yeah, I see. Here's the Pyraminx.
Pyraminx. So mega. A Pyraminx. Oh, you're opening up the Pyraminx. Oh, this is so. Ooh.
And here's the Pyraminx.
These are very nice fidgets. Ooh. Looks so cute. These look so cute. 2x2. See how it would do.
You can do the 1, 2, 3, 4 with the 2x2. And I'll get it back eventually.
Ooh.
Oh. That's your personal best. No. Oh.
And the Axis cube.
What is this one?
Axie.
There's also some kind of.
Let's see. 3x3 Axie. Ooh, these are all the same
Size, yeah.
size. Maybe
Here's another
because
one.
They're all 3x3s. It's the Windmill Cube. It makes different shapes. Here's a scramble, and oh. I just broke the world record by solving an Axis cube.
Yeah, that wasn't very scrambled there, buddy. Alright, you happy? There's your stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't know it could be that quick.
Yeah, that was one day. That's really fast shipping.
Yeah.
Where did it come from? That's the question. Came from one of the Denver.
Now this is my new main cube.
That's your new main cube.
Yeah.
Alright,
That's my main cube.
let's see you scramble it and solve it then.
Yes.
You gotta turn that corner a little bit more.
And look, it has no popping.
No popping.
Yeah. So it can always stay fixed. No matter
Here, let me try. Hold it.
Oh, you are not good at turning.
I want to see what it feels like.
My poor little dad does not have good turning.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, you're gonna have to teach me how to go faster. Okay, I gotta get back to cooking. Okay, bye guys. See you later.
My new
Gonna make this.
square
I need to add the pasta sauce. I should have just done that.
I love
Bye guys. Square one.
Yeah.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye, guys. Look, it's a shapeshifter.
Let's see the shapes.
So it can be shifting. That's new.
Okay, and the rest of his fidgets, poppets.
Ooh, yeah.
The other ball. Adding to his cube collection. This is one of my favorites, though we've never been able to fully solve it.
All my fidgets. And
Been
now,
able to solve the 2x2. Here's an old 2x2. So that's your new 2x2. Where's your new 2x2?
Ooh,
Here's the old
on the
Pyraminx.
ground.
And this one actually feels pretty good.
This one's actually bigger than a normal.
It's got
one.
magnets in it.
Yeah.
Or ball bearings. I don't know. I'm not sure what is
You want
it.
to call them maggots?
No, I don't want to call them maggots. Alright, I gotta get back to cooking. Bye, guys!
It's so.
Let me see your...
It's the pure.
It's the diamond.
Pyraminx diamond.
Ah, okay. Funny guy.
I can build a Pyraminx diamond now that I have another one. And it fits perfectly on the other
Yeah.
stand.
Alright, bye, guys! Fry, guys!